What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm actually starting the video where it actually ended. We had a good day. I'm pretty happy, but we're gonna send you through, let you see a little bit of what we did. I didn't record much of anything because I was a little predisposed on what was going on and making sure everything was perfect. I'm happy, so now I should probably go cut the grass. All right, as you can see, I'm really, really dirty and dusty, but I gotta show you all something. We're gonna walk into the garage and look at that. The MGA is officially in color. I got a few spots I'm gonna have to fix, but this is out of the gun. Very excited about this. You can see like a little dust. And this is where the logo goes, so you see the holes there. But overall, she turned out really nice. Quick cut and buff. We're ready to rock it out. Next up, interior. See if I can get, yep. There's the glass flake. Look how pretty. Alright, so I'm calling it quits for today. We have done a lot. I got the grass cut for my dad. You can hear the fan's still running, which I gotta get things packed up here. But MGA, looking pretty darn good. We'll get this fan pulled in so it's not in the middle of the walkway, and I'm just shutting everything down. Yes. I am happy. You see a poor Mustang in the back all covered up. But my back is done. I am exhausted. I'm sore. I'll explain more about how many hours we've spent on this in a minute. All right, this is the first time I'm getting into the Mustang to try and drive in since last Monday. It's Saturday today. My back is still hurting. It is starting to calm down with the steroid. I ended up with a steroid shot, and I'm on regular steroids to try and keep it loose and muscle relaxers. Today isn't going to be a boatload of work. I'm trying to go to the garage and get moving because I need to move. I'm going to try and get some stuff put on the car without trying to be too overworked. So we're going to see what happens here. First, we got to see if I can drive a manual with a bum right leg. So let's see what happens. And if this video is live, you know I made it. All right, fence is done. Shed is done. We'll have to get that one tore down eventually. But we're gonna limp out to the garage here, and I'm gonna show you how the MGA looks. It's looking pretty good if you ask me. All right, there is the MGA. It looks a little dusty right now, but it's completely painted. Nice reflections. The interior is set in it. Starting to get the dash all put together. A lot of stuff going on. She's definitely looking pretty. Dad's been working his butt off since I've been on the injured list. Wow. All the chrome. That's pretty. Good job, Papa. Real good job. Got the chrome sticking up here for the windshield. It's gonna be nice. Alright, so we're on our way to Papa and Gimom's again. I'm managing to move around. I'm still in a lot of pain, but, you know, doctor said, hey, you gotta move, you gotta keep going. So I'm trying not to be stupid while I'm getting work done. But, you know, gotta do all I can with what I have. Alright, so we're gonna head to the garage. Yesterday we did a lot of work, but we didn't really video a lot. Issue entailed that I just didn't really have the energy to try and do all the video along with all the wrenching and everything else. So we're gonna have to try and do a little more video today and hopefully get you some content. Alright, here's where we're at. We got the inner trim set up. Door panels are made. They end up going on here to finish this. Trying to do this one-handed is not easy. But that finishes off that door panel. We cannot put these in until a couple other things are finished. I have to attach this bottom, but my back hurts so bad I couldn't really get down to do it. We got some of the chrome, the welting's in. This is common on like the English cars, they use silver welting. Starting on the wiring on the taillights. Car's getting a little dusty. But there's the badging getting put on. We're slowly making our way to the end. I have to bolt the bottoms of the fenders on this side yet. But she's definitely looking like a car. And I couldn't be happier. So my back is still hurt. So I'm limping around trying to get things done without going too crazy. Is what it is. I mean, it's the price we pay being automotive people. Having a hard time walking. I had a pinched nerve. It's been crazy. I was in the hospital twice last week. But here I am trying to finish that. But for today, I'm calling it a night. Tomorrow's Memorial Day. I am going to see my sister. And happy Memorial Day to all of my friends out there. For now, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side.